This is looking delicious. You can tell that I am just starting by lining the bottom of my little muffin papers here with some delicious melted chocolate. Now on top of that delicious chocolate, we're gonna grab some peanut butter. Now of course, you guys can use any kind of peanut butter that you want. I'm choosing this all natural Skippy. I'm switching it up a little bit. Normally, I'm a huge Jif fan. Tell me in the comments, what kind of peanut butter are you choosing? Oh, this is gonna be so, so good. Now we're gonna come all the way over here to our blender, and I have some super juicy red strawberries. I'm gonna dump them right into this basic blender. Any type of food blender would work, or you know what, you could even probably just smash these up real hard too if you wanted to. And we are just gonna blend those bad boys up. Okay, that looks so good, you guys, and oh my goodness. Oh, the strawberries, they smell so fresh. Let's take this tasty strawberry goodness right over here and look at this, you guys. We are just gonna create this layer right on top. So we have the chocolate, we have the peanut butter, and now we have this fresh strawberry layer, which my goodness looks absolutely amazing. I was just telling my buddy over here, I could literally drink this stuff just right out of this container here. Do you guys make smoothies? Are you blending fruit up over there? Do you have any like good summer treats? I wanted something that was fresh, healthy, and a little bit still sweet, kind of allowing that craving to be cured. So I definitely need chocolate in that. Sorry, it's just the way it goes. Okay, those look good. I am not gonna waste that, you guys. Save that if you have any leftover, drink it up. Don't let it go to waste. Now, right on top of that strawberry, we're gonna come back in with a little bit of chocolate, and we are just gonna put a nice layer of chocolate right there on top of that strawberry. Oof, now I use the Ghirardelli melting chocolate. That's my favorite, but if you guys have any favorites, by all means, share it with us in the comments. Choose as you wish. I don't know, are you gonna use milk dark chocolate, milk dark, oh my goodness. I can't talk. It's been a day. I'll tell you what, spring is here. So that means spring cleaning. We're getting all these things done around here. I have a million things on my mind. Do you guys ever start cleaning one thing and then all of a sudden you start cleaning something else, and then next thing you know, you're just like, what did I even start to begin with? That's where my head's at lately. But now it's right here because I just keep watching this chocolate come out of this container and I just want to lick it. I want to take my finger. Oh, this looks so good, and these fresh strawberries are really it for me. It looks like we got that last one there. Oh my gosh, these look so good, you guys. We are gonna let these, I'm gonna stick them in the fridge. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do because I want them to solidify, because when we take this wrapper off and we see the layers of the chocolate and the peanut butter and the strawberry and the chocolate, I'm really, really gonna dive right in. I don't know. I'm saying probably 3 at least I'll eat. I don't know. We'll see. Stick around and I guess you can find out. Oh my goodness, you guys. I could not wait to take these out. I am really excited to try these. I can't wait. They look so good. Oh, the chocolate, the strawberry, and the peanut butter. And look, I can already see the layers coming through. I can just pull down this wrapper. Look at, oh, this is like the main reveal. Look at how good that looks. We have the chocolate, the peanut butter, the strawberry, and then even a little bit more chocolate on top. Yes, 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 yes. Oh. 10 out of 10. Home run right here. The chocolate is just a thin layer. It's not too much. Then you have like this creamy peanut butter. It goes super good with those frozen strawberries and a little bit more chocolate on top to hold it all together, you guys. This is where it's at. This treat right here, I'm keeping this locked and loaded in my freezer for sure. I hope you guys love this idea. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you guys later.